Hey guys, what's good? It's your girl Tei Jae. I'm back in the building with another motherfucking video. Today's video, you read the title correctly. I didn't use no lace. I didn't use no GOT2B glue. I ain't use none of that, y'all. And we do have Nadula 𝚊𝚒𝚒𝚒𝚒 wig on right now. And I'm super excited because I feel like this was the quickest install I've ever done in my entire life. It was so simple and so easy. Now, I had to make this work up here. I ain't gonna lie, because I've never did it before. So of course you gotta blend your own hair into the unit to have it, you know, not looking crazy. So you kind of gotta work with your natural hair. So hopefully it looks good to you guys. It looks good in the mirror, okay? I think I did a good job for this being my first time. So yeah, I'm gonna get started because I know I can ramble just a little bit. Yeah, we're gonna get right into the video.
Alright guys, so I'm going to quickly unbox her. I'm super excited, y'all, because look at their holiday box. Okay, Nadula, I see you. So anyway, while I am unboxing the hair, I'm going to give you guys a rundown of the details. So like I stated in the intro, it's a V-part wig. This is of a Jheri curl texture. She's 24 inches and she's 150% in density. Now, she's not constructed like your regular everyday lace frontal wig. This has no lace. It just has comb attachments. So I'm just going to go ahead and wash the hair. I do disinfect my sink before and after I put my hair and wash it, of course. Anyway, we're just going to go ahead and get the hair fully saturated of water. Today, I'm just going to be shampoo and conditioning the hair. I'm going in with my TRESemmé Keratin Repair, and we're just going to go ahead and put some shampoo towards the top. Now, I like to rub it in towards the top, and once I get that all lathered in, I do like to run my water underneath the hair so the shampoo can drench down the unit. I then like to go in and detangle the hair. And I love this brush, y'all. This brush actually helps define the curls as well. All right, so now my little tip and trick to have your hair like baby soft, y'all, I'm telling you, if you wring out all the excess water before putting in your conditioner, I even go in with a towel and make sure that is not dry but like damp. And I feel like this just retains the moisture when you leave in your conditioner. So this is the conditioner I'm using as well, and I OD on conditioner. Like when I say I OD, and like. And then once it's, you know, saturated to my liking, I like to go in with my Denman brush or my detangling brush, and, you know, just to make sure the product is on each and every strand of hair. This is how much hair came out from that process, and also from me wiping out my sink. And then I'm just going to stick the unit in this little shower cap, and I'm going to let that sit overnight. And yeah.
All right, guys, so we are here the next day with it, okay? This is the hair right here with a edge brush stuck in it, and it is probably semi-dry. It's not 100% dry, but I did let it air dry. I did last night, like I told y'all, I usually let the conditioner sit in for a while. I actually was mad tired last night, so I ended up leaving it in overnight and then just washed it out this morning. Where I'm gonna sit it right here. So one clip, two clip. I feel like I should push this back a little more. Y'all, now this is my first time doing this, so do not come for me. Y'all know I don't do stuff like this. Okay, so this is as close as I can get it. Would I wear it like this? Probably not, because it's given it's given invisible part vibes, okay? And I can't get this to really, if I put this over here, it's gonna be in my face. And no, yeah, girl, cause look at your hair, like look at your hair. And then I would bend down and be like, they be like, oh. So, all right, y'all, I'm back. I probably took too much out. I might have to put some in the back, because I didn't probably estimate the part properly. But yeah, and this keep rolling back. Come on, roly-poly-oly. All right, so I look crazy, y'all. So I got my little leave out section right here and all that good stuff. I didn't do any base braids because sis, I just didn't feel like it. So I'm just clipping everything back in. Boom and boom. Alright guys, so I finished with the curls. I just used water and foam wrap lotion. Let me tell you, girl, curls are bomb. Alright, so now we're gonna work on this because that is not given. So I don't know how to do it because I never did stuff like this before. So all I put on my hair is some water. I already had gel on there from gelling it back from my ponytail, so I just added water. But we're gonna see, because I don't know if I just want to blow dry this out. Blow dry this part out and honestly just put some wand curls in there so it can blend.
Now I'm just going in with this Revlon blow dryer, y'all. This blow dryer has been my best investment. I'm obsessed with this dryer, y'all. I don't know if you guys haven't tried it on your natural hair, but you need this brush because it gets your hair super, super bone straight, okay? Now I'm just going to go in with my Remington curling rod and put in some curls. Y'all, excuse me. I am sitting on the floor. I broke my chair, so I'm sitting on the floor. So just excuse the background. I'm telling y'all, I'm going to get my life together. The next couple of videos, I promise y'all, background ain't going to be looking nothing like this. I'm going to tell you that now. So I just want to apologize for that because y'all know it just it's giving ratchet, okay? But I had to get the video filmed, so it is what it is. So I'm trying my best to blend in my hair with the extensions. Like I said, my hair, my curl pattern is just a little bit tight, so I couldn't really blend it just using water and gel because it's just super tight. So I did put some heat protectant on my hair as well before I put my, the curls in the hair. Also, I dyed my hair jet black. So this color of unit is a natural brown. So you guys can tell the difference. But that's neither here or there.
But anyway, y'all, it is given. Y'all seen that I did have to blow dry my hair out and then just curl it because my hair texture is a little bit too kinky coily. I feel like I blended it in pretty well. I just did a simple middle part. I did a little bit of baby hair. Anyway, y'all, I did cut a little bit of layers, or I just cut it so it could frame my face so it just wouldn't be all one length. Y'all, why haven't I cut my real hair doing that? I think I did it. I don't know, but anyway, I cut it so it would frame my face and not just be sitting looking like who, what, and why. Now it is up to you if you would like to do that. You don't have to, but the unit does come all one length. I did decide to go in and just give it a little bit of shape. So yeah, y'all seen the process from me washing it straight out of the package. I did decide to shampoo and condition it because I feel like, honey, it was gonna be a quick video, so I'm like, let me wash it and show you guys the products that I use on the hair. I'm telling you, those two products, baby, it makes this hair super duper soft. By the way, it does come soft and shiny and all that good stuff as well, but I just wanted to shampoo and condition it just so you guys can see how your hair will look after you've washed and conditioned it, because you see the texture is still the same, nothing changed. That is a good part. So I think that is it, y'all. I really think that is it for this video. Like I said, only one thing I would change about how I installed it would be the base braids. I needed to make base braids right here on the outskirts of the part, and also I needed to have some braids probably going back. That way the combs that are on the side right here would have somewhere to adhere in. Throughout the video, I found out that the clips kept sliding down because it had nothing to, it was no base, okay? So it was just going like whoop whoop, and this right here is just loose. It's like the combs are in, but there's nowhere for the combs to go. So That would be the only thing that I would really change, the way I install it at Base Braids. I don't know how people install it. I mean, if you're not gonna be wearing it that long and you're not doing too many things, I feel like it's fine to do it like this. This is it, y'all. My hair is probably frizzing up now because it really doesn't stay straight long at all. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys thought, and all that good stuff. And until my next one, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.